This video is made by Ajib Salim MT, CBSE Class 10 Chapter 4 Agriculture by Ajib Salim MT, Part 3. Please like, share and subscribe. 31. The two main wheat growing regions are A. The Ganga-Satluj Plains and the Deccan Trap. B. Northeastern part and eastern coastal plains. C. Deccan Plateau and Konkan Coast. D. None of the above. Answer is A. 32. Wheat requires annual rainfall between A. 50 and 75 centimeters. B. About 200 centimeters. C. 200 and 300 centimeters. D. Less than 20 centimeters. Answer is A. 33. The third most important food crop of our country is A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Jowar. D. Ragi. Answer is C. 34. Which state is the largest producer of bajra? A. Rajasthan. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Answer is A. 35. Which is the right condition for the growth of maize? A. Temperature between 21 degrees C to 27 degrees C and old alluvial soil. B. Temperature below 17 degrees C and shallow black soil. C. Temperature of 25 degrees C and 200 centimeters of rainfall. D. None of the above. Answer is A. 36. Which of the following crops is a major source of protein in a vegetarian diet? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Pulses. D. Oilseeds. Answer is C. 37. Which one of the following is not true for pulses? A. Pulses are grown in both Rabi and Kharif season. B. Pulses are leguminous crops. C. They are grown in rotation with other crops. D. Pulses require intensive irrigation facilities. Answer is D. 38. Which is the ideal condition for the growth of sugarcane? A. Temperature of 21 degrees C to 27 degrees C and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeters and 100 centimeters. B. Temperature below 17 degrees C and 50 to 75 centimeters rainfall. C. Temperature of 25 degrees C and 200 centimeters of rainfall. D. None of the above. Answer is A. 39. What percentage of our cropped area is covered by oilseeds? A. 21. B. 12. C. 2. D. 4. Answer is B. 40. Which of the following conditions can spoil tea crop? A. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year. B. Frost-free climate. C. Deep fertile well-drained soil. D. Clayey soil which has high water holding capacity. Answer is D. 41. Coffee cultivation was first introduced in A. Himalayas. 6. Aravalli Hills. C. Garo Hills. D. Baba Budan Hills. Answer is D. 42. Which of the following crops is an important raw material for automobile industry? A. Pulses. B. Ragi. C. Rubber. D. None of the above. Answer is C. 43. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as A. Sericulture. B. Aquaculture. C. Apiculture. D. Pisciculture. Answer is A. 44. Which of the following is known as golden fiber? A. Cotton. B. Jute. C. Hemp. D. Silk. Answer. Jutes. 45. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after. Answer. Brazil. 46 is the golden fiber of India. Answer. Jutes. 47 is a program introduced by government that has resulted in increased production of food grains. Answer. Green Revolution. 48. Kerala is the largest producer of in India. Answer. Rubber. 49. The slash and bum agriculture is known as in the northeastern states of India. Answer. Jamming. 50. India is the largest producer and consumer of in the world. Answer. Pulse. 51. The crop grown in black soil is rice. True, false? Answer. False. 52. Castor seed is grown both as rabi and kharif crop. True, false? Answer. True. 53. The main characteristic feature of commercial farming is the use of high doses of modern inputs. True, false? Answer: true. 54. Watermelon is grown during Z season. True, false? Answer: true. 55. Terrace cultivation leads to increase in the level of soil erosion. True, false? Answer: false. 56. In which season are Rabi crops sown in India? Or mention the sowing period of Rabi crops. Answer: Rabi crops are grown in winter from October to December. 57. Name the type of farming in which crops are grown using primitive tools. Answer: primitive subsistence farming. 58. Name any two states of India where jamming is practiced. Answer: northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and Chhattisgarh and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 59. Which crop is commercial crop in one state while subsistence crop in another state? Answer: rice. 60. What type of inputs are required in plantations? Answer: plantations use capital-intensive inputs like large tracts of land. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.